Mysterious source has been sending 20-minute radio signals to Earth for the last 35 years. Scientists have been pondering for the last 3 decades over what or who could be sending the 21-minute waves, which they initially thought may have come from a dying star. Are aliens trying to contact humans on Earth? An ongoing string of radio signals directed at our planet suggests this may not be as absurd as it seems. For at least 35 years now, scientists say a series of unexplained signals from space have been projected towards our planet continuously. Yet researchers say they have no idea what or who is causing or sending the radio waves. Any possible reasons they can think of have been excluded based on the form of the waves, which have been hitting Earth since at least 1988, initially going unspotted before scientists later looked back at radio archive data. The continuous blasts are varied in strength and brightness, and scientists say they take a similar form to waves emitted from a pulsar, which can last between milliseconds and several seconds. But pulsating for 21-minute blasts each, these waves differ to anything seen on Earth. One possible explanation scientists have pondered is pulsars, neutron stars, in rotation and emitting signals as they do so, a bit like the beam of a lighthouse. When these signals cross the Earth's surface, these emissions would be bright and brief, but scientists say the spinning star's magnetic field would need to be extremely strong for this to work. So strong, in fact, it breaks any known record. The theory has since prompted astrophysicists to theorize that the source, which they've called GPMJ 1839-10, must be spinning incredibly fast if the waves are strong enough to be picked up on Earth. Possible culprits could be a white dwarf, a star at the end of its life, or a magnetar, which is a form of star with an incredibly intense magnetic field. Yet these types of star do not send out waves like those picked up for the 35 years, bringing scientists back to square one. The huge mystery leaves some to ponder whether other life forms could be sending the signals, although this theory has yet to be proven. But efforts are underway to continue hunting the bizarre signals, physics professor Victoria M. Caspi has said. The academic based at McGill University in Montreal, Canada, said in a recent article, "Only time will tell what else lurks in these data, and what observations across many astronomical timescales will reveal." Signal was a strong narrowband radio signal that was detected by astronomer Jerry R. Emin on August 15, 1977, while he was working on the SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, project at the Big Ear Radio Telescope of The Ohio State University. The signal lasted for 72 seconds and was detected in the 1420 MHz radio frequency, which is a characteristic frequency of hydrogen and is commonly used in radio astronomy to study the interstellar medium and search for signs of extraterrestrial life. The signal was significant because of its intensity and narrowband nature, which suggested a possible artificial origin from an extraterrestrial civilization. The signal's frequency was also consistent with the frequency used by humans for interstellar communication, leading to speculation that it could be a message from an intelligent alien species. Despite several attempts to detect the signal again, it has never been detected since its discovery. The source of the signal remains unknown, and it has been the subject of much speculation and debate in the scientific community. Some scientists argue that the signal may have been caused by natural phenomena, such as a comet or a quasar, while others believe that it could have been a genuine extraterrestrial signal. However, without further evidence, the origin of the WOW signal remains a mystery. After the discovery of the signal, several attempts were made to detect it again, but none of them were successful. Some scientists suggested that the signal might have been caused by a passing satellite or a reflection from space debris, but these explanations were ruled out as the signal's characteristics were inconsistent with such sources. The signal's intensity and narrowband nature also suggested that it was not caused by any known natural phenomena. Moreover, the signal's frequency was very close to the frequency used by humans to communicate with spacecraft in deep space, leading some scientists to speculate that it could be a message from an extraterrestrial civilization. However, the lack of any follow-up signals or other evidence of extraterrestrial intelligence has led many scientists to remain skeptical about the possibility of the signal being of alien origin. Some have suggested that the wow signal could have been a one-time event caused by an unknown natural phenomenon that we have yet to discover. Despite the uncertainties surrounding the origin of the wow signal, it remains one of the most intriguing mysteries in the field of astrobiology and SETI research. The ongoing search for extraterrestrial intelligence continues, and the discovery of new exoplanets and advances in telescope technology have renewed hopes of finding signs of life beyond Earth.